Hi there. Thank you for joining me again on our reading lesson program. I call it Reading with Miss Gina because I am Miss Gina, and hopefully I'm going to help you learn some ways that you can read anything you want for the rest of your life. Yeah, really. It first starts with knowing your sounds, which hopefully you've learned some either with me or somebody else. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take sounds that you know and we're going to put them together. And so, for example, if I said to you, I, you might be a little confused. What? I think she's trying to say hi to me, but I'm not sure, right? So when we talk, we put all these sounds that we know together, right? We put them together so that we can let other people know what we mean. And when we write things down, like what you see on the page there, that's to tell people what we're trying to sound out. So in this lesson, what I want you to practice is putting those two sounds together. And I'm going to go through it with you, but think of it for a second. If I said I instead of hi, it would be a little confusing for you, right? So this is going to help you start practicing how to join those two things together. I, hi. Okay. A lot of times I'm going to be looking down because I have to do the computer and I'm using a pen here to point and click the button for the next page. Okay. But I'll be with you. All right. So the first things I want you to take a look at are, let me get a pointer here for you. I'm sorry for the delay. Here we go. I'm just going to be a spotlight. So I'm going to say the sounds and then I'm going to have you say them with me. Okay, here we go. So we got ah, and I. Now you say them, please. Yeah, very good. If you didn't remember them, that's okay. Just go ahead and look again. You're just learning, right? You can't remember everything all at once, no matter how good a memory we have. Okay, so the other sounds are t, n. Let me go back here on these two. So the is kind of like that was good. Closing your mouth. And then this one for nest or no is going to be more like you put. So pretend my thumb is your tongue, right? So your tongue could go up there. No. Or a nest. Okay. All right. So the next one we have is and this one I'm going to lean to the microphone. Watch. Here's the microphone. Not huh. Hopefully you heard that. It's not puh. Sometimes people say puh because you're trying to hear the sound, but no, it's really soft as if you're blowing on a candle. So if you put your hand up and you blow, you can feel it a little bit. If you say puh, you can't really feel it. The air just kind of goes out. So this sound here is all right. Okay, so your turn. We have turtle, monkey, nest, fish, sun, pear. All right, awesome. So hopefully you recognize this sound here. Remember, it's not puh, and you're going to see why right here in this lesson. So let me get a line. I'm going to do arrow this time. You can't really hold on to, so you just kind of have to, you almost have to know where you're going a little quicker than the other time, but you can do it. Ha. What I do to hold it is I just kind of keep my mouth down. Oh, and so did you hear that? Pa. That is pa. This is just, okay, let me get those lines out of there, some of the extra ones. We're going to continue. Yeah. Pa. Pet. Awesome. Now we're on to the blue box. I think I'll clear those lines out. And so again, I'm doing my best to look at you, but I also am trying to get the pages ready. So again, we have a, only this time it's at the end, okay? So we know where we're going. So this time we can hold on to first sounds if we want to, at least for practice. Ready? App, up, ip, op, at. Great. So we're going to review both of these and we're going to go a little quicker. Okay, so here we go. Pa, pa, pi, pa, pet. Now, if you didn't go that fast yet, that's totally fine. If you went fast on one or two, that's really great for a first time. You're welcome to practice these as much as you want, but remember, we're not trying to be perfect. We're just trying to learn how, okay? All right, so here's the next one in the blue box. App, up. Ooh, up, that's a word. Let's continue. Ip, op, ep. All right, nice work.